In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log in to your Mailchimp account. So head over to Mailchimp.com and sign into your account dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options on your homepage, but today we're focusing specifically on adding contacts to your audience. Next, look for the Audience option. You can find this on the left-hand side navigation bar. Clicking on Audience will take you to your audience dashboard where you can manage all your contact lists. When you're on the Audience page, you should see an Add Contacts button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that. From the drop-down menu, select Import Contacts. This will take you to the next step in the process. Now, it's time to choose how you want to import your contacts. You'll see a few options, but for today, we're going to select the option to upload a file. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also copy and paste your contacts directly from a spreadsheet. For this tutorial, let's stick to the file upload method. Before you upload the file, it's crucial to ensure that your file is clean and well organized. You want to make sure that your columns are clearly labeled. Commonly used labels include email, first name, last name. This will help Mailchimp map your data accurately during the upload process. Take a moment to check that all your data is correct and properly formatted. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, proceed with the upload. After clicking on the Upload option, you'll have the opportunity to select the file you want to import. Navigate to where your file is saved on your computer, select it, and hit Open. Mailchimp will start processing the file, and depending on the size of your list, this might take a few moments. Once your file is uploaded, Mailchimp will prompt you to review your data. This is where it checks the column headings and makes sure everything matches up. If anything seems off, you'll have the chance to correct it right here. Follow the prompts to ensure that each of your columns corresponds correctly to Mailchimp's fields. After you've confirmed that everything looks good, you'll move on to the process of finalizing your import. Mailchimp will provide you with an overview of what contacts will be added and any issues that may have arisen. Once you're ready, simply click the button to complete the import. And just like that, you've successfully added and imported contacts to your Mailchimp audience from a file. It's a straightforward process that can help you manage your connections more effectively. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips.